Hi Michael, thanks for meeting me today. I've been thinking a lot about starting an online business, but I don't know where to begin. Could you guide me through the basics?
Of course, Sophia. Online business is a great way to reach customers globally and create a sustainable income. It involves selling products or services through the internet. It can be in the form of e-commerce, physical or digital products, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, online courses, freelancing, or even blogging and content creation.
That sounds interesting. But how do I choose the right business model for me?
Great question. The right model depends on your interests, skills, and investment capacity. Here's a brief breakdown. 1. E-commerce store. If you want to sell physical or digital products, you can create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. 2. Dropshipping. You don't need inventory, you sell products from a supplier who handles shipping. Platforms like AliExpress and Spocket help with this. 3. Affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale through your referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer such programs. 4. Freelancing. If you have a skill like graphic design, writing, or programming, you can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. 5. Content creation. If you enjoy making videos or writing blogs, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships on YouTube, Medium, or Substack.
That's helpful. Once I choose my business model, how do I market it effectively?
Marketing is the backbone of any online business. Without it, even the best products won't sell. There are several marketing strategies you can use. 1. Search engine optimization (SEO). This helps your website rank higher on Google, bringing organic traffic. Focus on keywords, backlinks, and quality content. 2. Social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter help in reaching your target audience. You can use paid ads or organic methods like influencer marketing. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list is crucial. Tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and GetResponse allow you to engage with potential customers through newsletters and promotions. 4. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads let you run paid campaigns targeting specific audiences. 5. Content marketing. Blogging, videos, and infographics help in educating and attracting customers. 6. Affiliate and influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your brand.
Wow, marketing seems like a huge area to master. Where should I start?
Start small and focus on one or two strategies. If you're selling a product, Instagram and Facebook ads can give quick results. If you're into blogging or a long-term business, SEO and content marketing are ideal. Also, always track your results using Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other tracking tools.
That makes sense. But how do I ensure my online business is successful and profitable?
Success in online business requires patience, consistency, and adaptability. Here are some key tips. 1. Identify a niche. Don't try to sell to everyone. Find a specific target audience with a strong demand. 2. Offer value. Solve a problem or provide unique value with your product or service. 3. Optimize your website. Make it mobile-friendly, fast, and easy to navigate. 4. Leverage automation. Use tools like chatbots, email sequences, and AI analytics to save time and improve efficiency. 5. Test and improve. Continuously analyze what works and optimize accordingly. 6. Build customer trust. Engage with your audience through social proof, testimonials, and excellent customer service.
That's really insightful, Michael. Thank you so much for breaking everything down. I feel more confident about starting my online business now.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities, but success comes with consistency, learning, and taking action. Feel free to reach out anytime if you need more guidance.
I definitely will. Thanks again, Michael. Let's meet again soon after I make my first sale.
I'd love that. Good luck with your journey, Sophia.